How's it going, guys? Patrick here with Drone Nerds, and today we're talking about the Autel Evo. Some of the features and some of the things that I like about the Evo that fly under the radar in terms of overall usability and some of the benefits of using the Autel Evo. One thing about the Evo that I really like is how easy or how fast this thing really does kind of sync up and get ready to fly. There it is. So basically, as soon as I got that going, it was ready to fly. Right now, it's actually the aircraft battery is a little bit low, so you're hearing a little bit of other beeping, but the drone is ready to fly. Autel Evo app is really simple, easy. It's the Autel Explorer. You can see there, it's ready to go fly. Now, some of the things I want to talk about with the actual app itself, kind of hard to see right here, but I'll show you guys here in a second. Basically, on the app or on the front screen, you're gonna have all of the features in terms of being able to control the camera. And now I really like that feature because it allows me to just change my settings, change everything right here on the front of the screen. Instead of me having to go into a menu, if I'm flying, if I'm out filming, I can just change settings right there on the screen. I don't need to go into a menu, I don't need to go and search for it. Also, another little feature that I do like about the Evo as well is right here on the side, there's a gimbal function. So you can actually control the camera. You can go from 0 degrees, you can go 30 degrees, 45, and 50 degrees as well. Another feature that I do enjoy about the Evo is it seems to really have good overall connectivity. When I was flying the other day underneath a bridge, I had full bars the whole time. The drone was responding when I wanted to, got some good range on it, and basically got everything that I wanted to do without having to worry about any connectivity problems with the actual drone and the controller. Another thing about the Evo is you're gonna have the front-facing sensors there that are going to protect you when you're flying forward. You're not gonna fly into a tree, you're not gonna fly into a building, because the drone is actually gonna sense that building and it's going to stop. Overall, the Evo is really simple. A great drone for anybody who's looking for just a compact drone, maybe to travel with, to take photos. Also, if you're a first responder, if you're looking for a drone that's simple and easy to take out of the box, to press the on button, to turn on the controller and be in the air within a matter of seconds without having to get satellites, without having to sync up and anything like that, the Evo does that really, really well. And like I said, I really do enjoy just kind of the overall simplicity of the actual app itself. The controller has a lot of information on it as well. It's telling you your height, your distance, your speed, everything right there on the controller screen itself. So you can see how kind of nice little interface to give you all the information that you need. It'll tell you what your degrees are on your gimbal. Again, you can control the gimbal by just pressing there on the screen and change your tilt up and down just by using the screen instead of having to actually use the wheel on the back. You can still control the wheel on the back if you want to, but if you want to go back to 0, bam, you just press right there on the screen. 60 frames per second in 4K, which is a nice feature as well if you want to do some slow motion. In 1080p, it shoots 120 frames per second as well. So if you want to shoot some slow motion, the Autel Evo can handle that for you. It's going to shoot really high quality photos and 4K video. If you're looking for an overall just great drone to get into the video photography world with using drones, well, this is definitely a drone to check out. If you have any more questions, check out dronenerds.com. We've got some great bundles going on right now, some great deals for you guys on the Autel Evo. I really do enjoy some of the little features, some of the little things that make the Autel Evo stand out. So there it is. If you guys want to learn more about this compact 4K camera drone, check out dronenerds.com.